Hey, what's going on guys? Big Z in this one from the Pinnacle, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you another email, a scam email from people claiming to be Scotiabank. So here's the email address, scotiapayments.52338 at scotas.com. Scotas. Boy, I wonder what that means. But yeah, so if you receive any email from these clowns, just throw it out. But then here's what the email goes like. So it says, "Dear valued customer, a payment to your 453 and then whatever this fictional Scotiabank account basically was received on August 4th, 2021. This transaction was placed on hold for verification. Due to this incident, we temporarily suspended your account activity. To change the status of your account, sign in below and follow the security steps to continue using your banking service as usual." So here's like a link they give you. Do not click on this link. Yeah, no, I have not clicked on this link yet. And yeah, now just make sure you delete it or maybe junk it basically. And then what else are they saying? You are receiving this email from the Bank of Nova Scotia, carrying on business as Scotiabank Security Department. Please do not reply to this email as it is auto-generated and you will not receive a response. So they're trying to be all professional and everything. But again, this is a scam email. And funny thing, it came into my inbox. See, that's why I have my inbox section open here. Well, I mean, it's been highlighted here. It's not junk email. It actually came into my inbox. Pretty scary stuff. Once again, that's the email address, scotiapayments.52338 at scotas.com, and they're saying several possible matches for Scotia payments. What the hell is LinkedIn doing? No, I'm good, bro. But yeah, do not click on this email. Well, I mean, oh boy, what am I doing? Do not click on this link or anything. Just delete it. Delete the email right here. Yeah, I don't want to delete it for now. Just keep it now. But yeah, this is one of those emails. Gotta be aware. You gotta be cautious before clicking on anything here. Oh, I don't have internet here. That's why the page did not load. But yeah, be careful. Do not click on anything here, because if I just click on it, it's gonna open up a page, and it's probably gonna f you up. But I don't have internet, so it's not taking me there to that page. But yeah, delete this email. And oh yeah, that's the reason I can't even delete, because I don't have internet. I'm not connected to the internet right now. But yeah, that's what the email looks like. And when you see anything like that, just delete it and call Scotiabank. I'm sure you guys know their number. I'm gonna put it up on the screen here. Call them directly and talk with them if you do have a Scotiabank account. If you don't, just disregard this email. Okay, so I hope this video makes sense to you guys. Any question, comment, let me know. Thank you very much for watching my videos, and do not forget to subscribe, you guys. Big Z out.